It is time. Morning, folks. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Today I got a bit of a story for you. It kind of starts a little bit back in the springtime. It's probably better we start it right from there. Yep. Motor pulling time. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
Progress. Now we just need to get that out of there and get into that. For a drive with my 350. No big deal. No big deal. Skip, put. That's it. We are so close to being complete. Thanks, guys.
Super close.
Super close.
Super close.
Stuffing it in there.
Yes, what's up?
A few hours later, this guy in the red has pretty much done the entire motor himself. We have stood here and drank beers watching. Supervisors, yeah.
As God intended.
That's right. But yeah, in all seriously, everything's going really pretty good. A little bit of angle issues here and there with some nuts, but or bolts, but everything's going. Big shout out to the crew.
Going.
Woo! And we are back in action. Stay tuned. We're going to bring a buddy to give it a test tuning, and got a few more things. We're going to put the rad in there. A little bit of wiring, but basically that is it. We are ready to go.
Beer cans all over.
Yeah. The motor's in though.
That's right. Another day of tinkering. Got almost everything figured out. Got the rad in. Fan in. All right, folks, we're here. It's the day. We got our motor builder here, Gage, with cars. He specializes in rebuilding motors, building motors, all things motors. So we're gonna give her a test fire. We got pretty much everything we hope hooked up. Let's see what happens. Okay, firing. Okay.
It is the throttle cable. The throttle cable. Let's pull this cotter pin and test my theory.
Whew. Training kind of got delayed. So the motor's working good, but we ran into a problem. It seems like the clutch isn't working properly, or not disengaging, or not engaging. At first we could go into gear, but I felt like the clutch was stuck on, and we couldn't get it to move. Nothing. Then didn't want to come in and out of gear, so we were playing around with that. We adjusted a bit out of the linkage, and we got it to jump. So obviously the clutch isn't properly going in. Something's not right there. We've been struggling with this linkage system for a while now. It's kind of a shitty setup, but that's the issue. So apparently we're not going for a test drive tomorrow. Unfortunately, we're running wires and trying to figure out what's going on with that clutch. All right, folks, it is day 3. Well, quite a few days actually, but we figured it out. Reason the transmission wasn't working was because this clutch mechanism was not properly engaging. It's actually way up in there. It's been ripping out of the dash, the whole back plate where the clutch kind of like swings on a, I can't explain it. It's like a pipe that goes across and it kind of rotates on that. It's ripping off up top, pulling down, and the whole mechanism is starting to rip out. So we weren't getting as much throw on the clutch pedal, if that makes sense. And it was not properly engaging. Although the clutch pedal was depressing a long ways, that motion wasn't making it all the way down into there. Don't mind my wiring. So we have a little bit to do. Well, the plan is we're going to gut it. We're going to gut the dash, most of this wiring here, gut as much as we possibly can out of here, and then wire what we need back in essentially with aux beam's switch console thing here. We'll be doing a review on this thing. It looks pretty sweet, pretty promising, so we're pretty excited to hook that up here and get rid of this problem. Like, what the heck? And then with most of that stuff out of there, we'll be able to rebuild the clutch mounting mechanism in here. We'll design something different that's nice and strong, and we'll get proper throw with the clutch pedal. Get rid of a lot of this electrical junk. So yeah, appreciate you all following along. We are getting really close. I really hope to have a test run on this video. This video actually is being shot the day before release, so today's Saturday. Tomorrow this video releases. The tail end of this, we've been shooting a little bit of this for a while, but that's how behind we are. So we're really trying to get everything squared up for you guys, get up for a test trip, get up in the mountains. We're going to do some crazy rock crawling. We want to go back to Baldy with this thing. We got to drive this thing, so things got to work, right? Things are coming along. As much as this has been a major setback, things are starting to turn around for us, so stay tuned. There's going to be more coming. We really appreciate you, all your fans, all you guys following along, watching these videos, even though we're not going out wheeling. Basically, if you're watching this, you're a good fan, so I appreciate you guys more than you guys know. Really want to thank Gage at Custom Auto Repair. He specializes in rebuilding motors, anything motor, basically. He's been around with the channel for a very long time, and I'm very glad he's my motor guy, because without him, I don't think this thing would have been here today. Would have been backlogged for quite a long time. So really appreciate Gage stepping up and helping us out here, keeping us alive. Appreciate it. So if you guys want to help me out, if you ever need motor work done in Prince George or area, consider Custom Auto Repair. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay tuned, because we're probably, if everything goes well, we'll be testing the rock crawler in the next episode. We got a really cool place to go, and then it's just going to get crazier. We're going to take it up into the mountains, like I was saying. And yeah, we got all sorts of really cool things coming for the channel. We're hosting a really big event this fall, and we're hard at work prepping for that. We can't really tell you about it yet, but it's coming. That'll be mentioned really soon here, so stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Really appreciate it. Thanks for checking back in with us. Big things are coming. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.